I started with my lower back. I've had lower back pain for over 10 years, and it definitely changed my lifestyle. From the lower back pain, it extended onto my knee. And so I was just dealing with that for the whole time, over 10 years. So my lower back pain restricted movement for me. Bending over, simply bending over in the morning to brush my teeth was painful. I wasn't able to work out like I used to because the pain was just so strong. Jumping was a thing that I didn't even jump anymore. I forgot what it was to jump. So even jogging, I'd stopped jogging for a while because that pain just felt like it just compacted every time I was out jogging. And so I stopped doing that completely. I have kids that would run to me and jump on me to hug, and I couldn't do that anymore. And it really bothered me not being able to express that love that they were giving me to give it back to them, but just by picking them up and holding them. So I really just had to do something about it. So health-wise, because of the pain, it definitely restricted my activity. I wasn't running around, I wasn't moving as much as I used to. So that now then caused me to gain weight because sitting down all the time. I'm not up, I'm not moving around, I'm not jogging, I'm not going to the gym, I'm not working out. I've always been active. And so for me, this was a huge change because now I can't jog anymore. I can't go to the gym. I can't, all those things that I used to do. And it definitely messed with my mind as well, because now I feel like my body is changing and I definitely didn't like the direction at which it was going. So dealing with the program, I've been able now to get back to some of my regular routines, which includes jogging, which includes going to the gym, working out, and not be afraid to pick up a weight and wonder what's going to happen. I'm able to do that now. I'm able to bend over, do squats, even jump a little. I'm not going to push it because I'm getting old, but being able to do those things, just such a huge shift. It definitely gave me my confidence back in knowing that I'm able to bend over and pick up that weight and lift it over my head or do squats or even jumping jacks without feeling the crushing weight of pain in my lower back and my knee. Feels like it's giving me my life back. Like that freedom that I had before, I feel like I have it again now. So overall, my health has changed because my eating now has changed because this is also a part of the program. So now I'm more aware of foods that cause inflammation in my body. Whenever I get inflammation, here comes the pain. So for me to target foods that would reduce the inflammation in my body was huge because now that also worked on reducing the pain. I reduced the inflammation, so I'm reducing the pain, and I felt a whole lot better by being able to do so. So before starting this program, I tried several different things that I thought would work. From doctors to chiropractors to physical therapy to epidurals. I mean, that was my final straw. I just thought something has to work. And so when they finally said, hey, look, this is something we can try, I was ready to try because at that moment, I just thought anything would be better than this. Anything would be better than this pain. None of them lasted. The minute you stopped doing any of those things, the pain came back. So after a while, I felt desperate for change, because I really was looking for something that was going to work. I'm not gonna lie, I thought maybe this is just a gimmick. Another way for me to spend money to try to fix this issue and this problem that I had. So I was excited to see what it was gonna be like. And at the same time, but in the back of my head, I was kind of like, I don't know about this. And I felt that way because everything else that I tried hadn't worked. So I was really skeptical. So going through the Injury to Victory program, for me, the difference was I felt better. Like I got to a point where I was like, oh my God, like I'm waking up in the morning and I'm not in as much pain as I used to be. And so it was different from doing physical therapy. Like I already enjoy working out. So sticking to my program, which includes different movements for me to feel better, it was easy. Like do this and you'll feel well. So at that point, it was like a no-brainer. I'm like, all right, I got it. I'm in for life. I'm in for life. It's just a life turnaround for me because now I know what I need to do, enable for me to feel good, to walk, to run, to play, to work out, to enjoy my family, go hiking, just all of these things that I had withdrew from. Because of the pain, I now gain back. So because I've gone through the pain and I've gone through the program and now I'm feeling great, I would definitely recommend for anybody who's out there who's dealing with the pain and feel like you've lost control, give this program a try. You will not regret it. If you put in the work, you will get the results. So definitely, this is a 2 thumbs up. Recommend this program to anybody out there who's suffering in any kind of way with any pain. Jump in and get started.